My name is Courtney. I'm the owner of GarageExperts of Western Pennsylvania. The training program has been instrumental in my indoctrination into operating my own franchise for Garage Experts. They've taken us through every aspect from the minutia of operating the business to the ordering of inventory to how the products work, as well as the cabinets that we're getting to install today and how they exceed the expectations of the customers and they surpass the quality of our competition. We've gotten a definite good mix of classroom training as well as hands-on. With this installation that we're doing today, we've gotten to see everything from the pantries as well as the workstations and head cabinets, how to measure for them, how to put them in our new software called Live Storage, how Live Storage makes the process simpler and gives the customer a better image of what their garage is going to look like when it's finished.